Nuclear power plant warning. Nuclear power plant warning. This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Burke County Emergency Management and the Georgia Emergency Management Agency. A nuclear power plant warning has been issued for residents within a 75-mile radius of the Vogtle electric generating plant located in Waynesboro, Georgia. A severe meltdown of reactor number 2 has occurred at the plant due to an earthquake with a magnitude of 5.7 on the Richter scale striking the plant. This can pose an extreme threat to life or property. Because of the possible threat of a nuclear explosion and the release of radioactive materials into the atmosphere, all residents within the mentioned radius of the Vogtle electric generating plant are advised to evacuate immediately. When you evacuate, tie a white towel or cloth to a visible part of your home to notify your local authorities that you have obeyed the evacuation order. Gather the necessary supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Evacuate the area in a calm manner, as panicking has historically deteriorated situations further. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation.